Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Hi, my name is Julie. I am an English teacher. I love teaching beginners and helping them speak confidently. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock and exercise for 30 minutes. I drink a glass of water and prepare a healthy breakfast. After breakfast, I plan my lessons for the day. I always write down new words and phrases to teach my students. I enjoy reading English stories and listening to podcasts. Learning is fun, and I want to share that joy with others. I also practice speaking English every day with my friends. I feel happy when I see my students improving slowly but surely. I have a very special friend, Angelina. She is a cycling champion and has won a gold medal. Angelina loves challenges and always stays positive. She trains every morning and never gives up. Her energy inspires me to work harder every day. We share our goals and dreams with each other. Angelina is very confident and encouraging. Whenever I feel tired, she gives me motivation. We laugh together and celebrate small successes. Growing together makes life more joyful and meaningful. On weekdays, I teach my students English online. I explain words slowly and clearly so everyone can understand. I focus on daily phrases and easy conversations. Angelina practices cycling and prepares for competitions. We both work hard in our own fields but support each other. Every evening, we call and share our achievements. We talk about our small victories and lessons learned. It is important to stay positive and patient with yourself. My morning routine keeps me focused and strong. I write in my diary and set daily goals. I always smile and think positively about the future. Angelina does warm-up exercises before her cycling training. She drinks a lot of water and eats healthy meals. She also writes down her goals and training schedules. Her dedication is amazing, and I admire her discipline. We often share tips to improve our daily routines. Staying consistent is the key to success for both of us. Together, we learn that small efforts create big results. I love teaching English slowly for beginners. I repeat words and phrases until students feel confident. I create fun exercises and easy conversations for practice. Angelina helps me remember to enjoy learning every day. She celebrates every small win with me, even a new word. We remind each other that patience is very important. Sometimes we make mistakes, but we laugh and learn. I tell my students, mistakes are part of learning. Angelina says, keep trying and you will succeed. Together, we create a positive and supportive environment. On weekends, Angelina and I spend time together. We go to the park or the countryside and enjoy nature. I practice English by describing everything I see. Angelina cycles around and shows me new trails. We laugh, talk, and share our daily experiences. We also plan the next week and set new goals. Our weekends are full of energy, positivity, and learning. I feel happy to have such a supportive and inspiring friend. I like to start my lessons with a smile. I teach greetings, simple sentences, and easy questions. Angelina helps me practice speaking clearly and slowly. She encourages me to use new words confidently. We sometimes create fun role plays to practice conversations. I explain one thing at a time so it is easy to understand. Angelina celebrates my teaching achievements every day. We remind each other that consistency is better than speed. Slow learning builds strong foundations for future fluency. Our teamwork and support make learning enjoyable and fun. I always write new vocabulary in my notebook. I make flashcards with pictures and easy examples. Angelina helps me remember words by repeating them together. She also teaches me motivational words for sports and life. We practice speaking English during our weekend walks. I describe the park, trees, and birds in English. Angelina practices sentences about cycling and training. We correct each other gently and celebrate improvements. Our friendship makes learning English a joyful adventure. We grow together, learning from each other every day. I also read English books and short stories. I tell Angelina about the stories I like the most. She listens carefully and shares her own thoughts. We discuss lessons from the stories in simple English. Angelina encourages me to speak freely without fear. We ask each other questions and answer slowly together. This practice improves both listening and speaking skills. We learn patience and understanding from each other. Every small conversation makes our English stronger and clearer. We grow together, step by step, enjoying the process. Angelina is very disciplined in her training. She cycles every day and never misses a session. I admire her focus, determination, and positive mindset. Her stories inspire me to stay motivated in teaching. We share tips on how to balance work and hobbies. I tell her about my teaching challenges and victories. She gives me advice and celebrates my achievements. We laugh together and motivate each other constantly. Our friendship grows stronger with shared goals and trust. Growing together makes every effort feel easier and fun. During weekdays, I teach my students new words. I also practice pronunciation and simple sentence structures. Angelina encourages me to explain slowly and clearly. She reminds me that beginners need patience and repetition. I ask her questions about her training and achievements. She answers in simple sentences so I can understand easily. We both share our learning experiences with each other. This routine helps us grow in our own skills steadily. We always celebrate small victories to stay motivated. Together, we learn that teamwork makes growth faster and happier. I love weekend mornings with Angelina. We have breakfast together and plan our activities. I practice speaking English while describing the food. Angelina tells me about her cycling competitions and medals. We talk about health, routines, and personal goals. We laugh a lot and encourage each other positively. I feel inspired by her energy and determination. She feels happy with our shared learning moments. Every weekend strengthens our friendship and learning journey. Growing together makes life brighter, positive, and meaningful. I also enjoy teaching new phrases every day. Angelina helps me by repeating them slowly and clearly. We create small games to remember words easily. I explain phrases and give real-life examples. Angelina gives me tips to stay motivated while learning. We both remind each other to be patient with mistakes. Every correction is gentle and full of encouragement. We celebrate even small improvements with excitement. Our friendship creates a safe and joyful learning space. Together, we grow, learn, and stay positive always. At night, I reflect on my day and write in my diary. I record new words, phrases, and experiences. Angelina also writes about her cycling and achievements. We share our diary notes on calls and messages. We talk about what we learned and how to improve tomorrow. She encourages me to stay consistent with English practice. I inspire her to stay focused on her cycling goals. We laugh, motivate each other, and feel grateful every day. Our positive thoughts make our friendship strong and joyful. Growing together is the secret to our happiness and success. Learning English slowly is the best way for beginners. Angelina shows me that slow and steady wins the race. We practice together, support each other, and stay positive. Every day we celebrate small victories and improvements. Our weekends are full of laughter, learning, and motivation. We inspire each other to be better in life and skills. Together, we grow stronger, smarter, and more confident. Our friendship is full of trust, encouragement, and joy. We believe in ourselves and in each other every day. Growing together is our way to succeed and stay happy.